Hey there mga beshies, this is me Katie, and for this video, I'm gonna show you how I usually do my makeup. Simple lang, but it can pretty fine. Something like that. If you wanna see how I usually do my makeup, just keep on watching mga mamshies. So, katatapos ko lang mag-ayos ng aking buhok, so I'm gonna get rid of this hair first of my face. I'm gonna apply a lip balm first. Cute na. So I'm gonna apply it on my lips to prep my lips for the lipstick that I'm going to apply later on. So medyo ma-oily ako, so iba-blot ko muna yung excess oil sa aking face using a facial tissue. So I'm gonna apply my face cream onto my face. So after I apply my face cream, I'm just gonna blot out the excess. Kasi hindi rin maganda kasi yung may excess sa skin ko. So I'm gonna go straight to the next step, which is I'm gonna apply petroleum jelly all over my eyebrows and my eyelashes. So let's hit it. So after ko mag-apply ng petroleum jelly all over my eyebrows and eyelashes, I'm gonna blot off the excess. Yung nakasobra sa eyes ko. Usually when I go out, I leave my brows like this. But for some reasons, I have sparse area on this side. So I'm gonna fill it up with a eyebrow pencil. Then after you apply eyebrow pencil on your brows, I'm gonna brush it with a spoolie. So after that, I'm gonna curl my lashes using my eyelash curler. So I'm not gonna use mascara on this point kasi hindi naman talaga ako gumagamit ng mascara when I do my usual makeup look. So the alternative product from mascara is petroleum jelly, and it works every time. And after that, let's go to the next part, which is my favorite part, is applying lipstick. So I apply my lipstick as a eyeshadow, blush, and lipstick as well. Depende sa preference ko kung ano ang gusto kong gamitin na shade. So one of my favorite lipstick at the moment is from Sunny Space Fluff Matte in the shade of Hot Sauce, since I like red shades of lipsticks. So I'm gonna apply it onto my cheeks like this. I'm gonna apply it quickly. And then I'm gonna apply it as a eyeshadow by tapping lightly on the bullet. Like that. Awan ko kung nakikita nyo, pero light lang siya. So, I'm gonna dab it on my lid. So, I'm gonna grab a tissue and remove my lip balm para i-apply ko na yung lipstick sa aking labi. Then I'm gonna apply it straight to my lips. So to complete the look, I'm just gonna put on some baby powder and apply it all over my face. So napansin nyo, instead of face powders, I opted to use baby powder instead kasi sanay ako sa baby powder ever since like high school ako. Yan yung gamit ko. So I'm gonna get rid of this paineta on my hair. And then just gonna comb it a little bit. Oh my god. Magsisimba pala kami. Shoot pa. Ano ka? So this is the complete look on how I usually do my makeup. I hope mga beshies nakatulong itong video na ito, lalo na sa mga baguhan pa lang sa makeup and gusto lang nila is simple lang yung gagawin, wala yung maraming steps na charbalo. Oh, I have to go. Bye!